Welcome back to another edition of Board Math. Leroy, you got a front row seat, so let's do it loud and proud. Here we go, everyone. Here we are, everyone, all together. B-O-A-R-D, B-O-A-R-D, Board Math, Board Math, yippee! Reading along with me. What number is it? 33. How do you write a 33? It's a fun one. A 3 for the 10 and a 3 for the 1. 33. What number comes next? 43, 44, 45. How do we write a 45? A 4 for the 10, a 5 for the 1, 45. 10, 20, 30. How do we write a 30? 3 for the 10, 0 for the 1, 30. How many do you see? Okay, they're sort of mixed up today, so we got to try to make some lines going left to right and top to bottom. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How do we write a 15? A 1 for the 10, a 5 for the 1s, 15. Good. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? First question, are the numbers equal or the same? No, look at the ones place. The tens are the same. Okay, so now is, which one is greater? Which one's bigger? That's right, 22 is bigger, so let's eat 22. And how do we read it? 20 is less than 22. Good. Number sentences. Read it. Remember those symbols though as you read it. Here we go. 10 minus 10 equals. What does minus tell us to do? Take away. So we could do it in our head real quick. Mental math. We can do it with our fingers. 10. Take away. How many are left? Or we can do it with our pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus or take away 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many are left? 0. Read it with me. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Two plus 5 equals. Remember that plus tells us to put them together, not take away. So we could do it real quick, mental math. We can do it with our fingers. Or we can do it with pictures. We start with our 2 plus 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's read it. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Read. 5 minus 2 equals. Ooh, it switched back to minus. We can do our quick mental math. We can do it with fingers. Or we can do it with pictures, starting with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus means to take away. How many 2? 1, 2. There's 3 left. Read it. 5 minus 2 equals 3. How many in the 10 frames? We've got our 2 10 frames. First one is full, so that's 10. Second one is not full. So we got to find out how many. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 and 4 is 14. How many more to make 20? Let's remember 20 is 2 10s. We don't have two 10s, so we got to fill it up, so we do. So we got our full 10 frame here. We got to fill this one up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. How do we write a 6? Down to a loop, 6 rolls a hoop. Good. What shape is it? Okay, that's the drawing. It's harder to see, but here's a real one. It's a sphere. Sphere. How do you know? Okay, well, it's not flat. It's not flat. It's round all over. And remember those faces, those flat parts. Since it's round all over, it has no faces. Remember, faces are the flat parts in our three-dimensional shapes. Then what can a sphere do? It can roll. But can it stack? Man, I've been trying this for a long time and I can't get them to stack because they don't have two faces. So no stack. And then we talked about sliding. If we try to get them to slide, they just want to roll. So there's no slide. You have to have a flat face to slide. Good. Okay. Next one. What shapes do you see? Okay, let's get our catalog out. We've seen that circle. That's an easy one. Round all over. It's flat. It's not a sphere. But there's a sphere. That one pops out. It's three-dimensional. There's some more circles. We got our rectangles on the couch. We found rectangles on the table and squares on the table. We found a rectangle hiding up here. If you look over here, we have this side and this side. If we had one more, what shape would it make? A triangle. That's right. Good. And look at the half of the lamp. That's half of a sphere. It's been cut in half to let the light out. Great job, you guys. Okay, here comes our word problem. Remember, we read it twice. Once to read through, a second time to get the important information to answer our question. Here we go. Marisol has 6 chocolate kisses. She gives 3 kisses to Arnev. Arnev loves chocolate. How many chocolate kisses does Marisol have now? Okay, you guys are doing your quick mental math. But also, let's check it now. Let's make sure we get all the good information. Marisol has 6 chocolate kisses. So we need to know it's Marisol. She has 6 chocolate kisses. She gives 3 kisses to Arnev. She is Marisol, and we know she gives, that's an important word, 3 kisses to Arnev. So Arnev has some now. Arnev loves chocolate. Okay, a lot of people do. My wife loves it, Arnev, but don't eat it yet. But also, don't let it melt in your pocket. But nothing really important for our question. Here we go. What is our question? How many chocolate kisses does Marisol have now? So we got to know how many, that's a number. Chocolate kisses, that's what we've been talking about. Does Marisol, not Arnev, Marisol have now? Okay, so I know you guys have done your mental math, but let's check it. How many did Marisol start with? Yeah, she had 6 chocolate kisses, so we can draw those. Just a triangle with the little flag coming out the top. Okay. Awesome. So there's Marisol's 6 chocolate kisses. Then Arnev comes along. And what did Marisol do? She gives 3 kisses to Arnev. Remember, gives means to take it away from hers and give them to Arnev. Okay, so she gave us 3 kisses. So 1, 2, 3, and Arnev has them now. 1, 2, 3. Good. Arnev loves chocolate. Remember, that's not important for our problem, but Arnev, don't eat them yet. Don't let them melt. Okay. How many chocolate kisses does Marisol have now? Well, we took those 3 away, so she has 1, 2, 3 left. Because 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 what? 3 kisses. Does it make sense, boys and girls? It should. Awesome job. Arnev, you can have your kisses now. You too, Marisol. Awesome job, you guys. I could hear you all. Leroy's right up front. Nice work, okay? Everybody, let's keep it up. See you guys later.